is Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning. If you are a loyal subscriber, thank you. And if you are new, please hit that subscription button because I'm telling you, I got a lot of stuff coming to you, a lot of reviews, a lot of makeup, clothes, hair, all that, you name it. Okay, today I will be doing a tutorial slash review on the new Milk Cosmetics Smoke Session palette. It was a limited edition palette. I'm pretty sure they'll come out with it again, not anytime soon though. And everybody wants to get their hands on it. Little disclaimer, I've always been a fan of Milk Cosmetics. I've bought their stuff ever since the Love Sit stack. That was my first love, and then after that, you know, I got the electric, I got a few of them actually. I got like 3 of them. The last palette I got was free, and I'm gonna tell you why. All right, this is the tea. This is the tea I'm talking about. So a lot of customers, when they got their Smoke Session stack, which was limited edition, it came broken, and as did mine. So this is it with the film still over it so it won't fall out. It was mostly the shimmery foil colors. It's like they weren't pressed in the pan, so during shipping it got knocked and destroyed. I did email them. They got back to me. They said that UPS has been handling their packages very rough lately, and I call bullshit on that because I always receive makeup from different companies that I order from, and the makeup comes intact. I just think they didn't package it correctly. Even pressing them in the pan, they didn't press the pans in correctly. So but I will, you know, that's one of them. Maybe they need to think about how they produce or place the colors in the pan. But as a compensation, they offered me to order another stack, or one of the options was to order another stack or another item from their line. And I've always wanted the what is it, Dark Matter stack, so I did get that. It was really nice, very neutral, like you can get a lot of smoky looks out of this. Very neutral colors. But Smoke Sessions, obviously, and you can see the leaves, takes after marijuana. And this is the package it came in, same package, cardboard. The colors are very pigmented and soft, so that's probably why they didn't press too well in the pan. They're really buttery and soft. It does come with a mirror. Okay, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start my eyes. I'm gonna start by putting some loose powder, setting powder underneath my under eye to set it, and then I'll go from there. And yeah, you'll see the magic next. Thanks for staying tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is the final look that I created. Let me zoom in and scoot out a little bit. So this is the final look that I did create using the Smoke Sessions palette. Again, like, I think this was potentially a really great palette, and I'm kind of disappointed that when I use it, I really like legit have to be careful. That lid palette that I used on the main lid, when I pressed into it, like after I had already like pressed it down, it just crumbled again. And I honestly think that the shadows, it was hard to pick up with a brush too, so I think that the shadows are meant for like to be applied with you know, an applicator brush or your finger, but it was like I wanted to use the brush because I didn't know how fragile it was. It was very, very fragile. But other than that, like, I love the colors. Really like, you know, the greens. I got it because it was so unique. I like when palettes have like their main color story and they just add like maybe like different variants and a complementary color. I do wish there was another transition color in there. It's like you have to use your own transition colors, and that's why I got I was glad that I got the dark matter stack, because it had a good transition in there for brown skin. That was missing. Another thing is a lot of fallout, so it can be very, very messy. That was from like the matte, so imagine, you know, I think if the pigments, like the foils, weren't broken, they wouldn't have been so messy. Let me open it again to see, because I think all my foils messed up except for Mean Green and Granddaddy. But Gravity, OG, Black Widow, Sweet Tooth, and Blue Dream, they were just shattered when I got them, unfortunately. I mean, it is what it is. And maybe I can try to purchase it again when they come back out with it. But then I was like, I don't want to know if I want them to, I wish they had owned up to why their palette fell apart instead of blaming it on UPS or USPS, because now it's like, am I gonna buy it again, because you're not taking responsibility, which means that you're probably not gonna fix the issue. Okay? Anyway, I will leave the link to Mel Cosmetics website. This is sold out and they haven't gotten it back in. And yeah, tell me what you think, like what I recreated, or not recreated, but what I created from what I had in my mind. I always do a cut crease now. It's like my favorite thing nowadays. I feel like it makes my eyes pop more. Yeah, so if you want to see more like different looks, like smoky eyes, halo, simple eye looks, you know, I was thinking about doing a simple eyeshadow look using only 2 shades, which is awesome. You could do it using 1 shade, but I think 2 shades would be good. I'm too dramatic. I can't be too laid back. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram and my Facebook fan page. I'll post the links down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.